Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I'll let to show you the way how to change the page setup of your files on a Google Docs application. Let's open the Google Docs application right away and open the files that we want to set up. So here in this video I'll let to show you the way how to make your files here become a landscape format so that you have the widest format. So here is the portrait, and if you want to change it become the landscape, go click these three small dots, and right after that go click this page setup, and the first line here there will be orientation. So you just need to go click orientation, and you just need to change it from portrait into the landscape by go click this part. Whenever you're done, you just need to go back and you're done. So the view changes in print layout mode because it's still in a like mobile phones screen, so it will be like shows the same, but whenever you print it later, let's say you want to print it, so this files will be like in a landscape mode. You see here now it's already in a landscape. So that is the way how to change your files into the landscape. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.